Yo, 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 what's up, MBG fam? It's your Motivation Big Guy. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you are aware every time I upload a video. Before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor and make sure you comment down below. Make sure you share, increase. Today, I have for you, it's only for you. I'm eating bad today. We got Asian cuisine. So right here I have for you what's called a spider roll. It's got crab meat in it, cucumbers, fish eggs, eel sauce, and some other veggies. Crab and cheese wontons are up here. Have my plain lo mein, shrimp rolls here, and on the side here, I have me some mayonnaise-based sauce for my burritos. It's like a sushi burrito. Before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and pray. Amen. I hope y'all are blessed today. Get to eat. Got some hot sauce to put on my lo mein. Gotta get all that. Hope your day was as blessed as mine. Before you start watching me eat heavy, go ahead and grab y'all a bite to eat. Come join me, let's sit back, bust it up. Give you a bite of this spider roll real quick. All right, that's enough, I'm done sharing. On the side, as you see, I got my water from Wawa. Need my chopsticks for y'all today. Lo mein is good, y'all. I like my lo mein plain. Just plain old lo mein. So I can taste the noodles by themselves. I've been waiting to eat all day. Fasting for the day. napkins, y'all. It's all right. We're gonna lick the fingers today. Yes, sir. What you mean no? Hey, y'all know who that is in the background. Miss Honey gonna be making an appearance soon. Make sure, listen, drop some comments down below, man. Let me know some subjects, man, or some topics y'all want to talk about that you could talk about with. Excuse the fan, he talking in the background. Some topics y'all want to talk about that y'all could come and bust it up with your motivation, big guy. I mean, fam, we need to support one another, bust it up with one another. I need some more hot sauce. More hot sauce, I got some. I've been craving Chinese, y'all. I've been craving it. I said I'll go ahead and be bad for y'all today and go ahead and get it. Some more sauce on this burrito. Hot sauce on my burrito, baby. I was looking recently, so I got some new subscribers. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for coming aboard to the fam. Welcome to the MBG fam. That's really sticking, I like that. Summer drink. Refreshing, y'all. On the side, I got some hot mustard. My camera straight, excuse me. It's my fault. Got some hot mustard for my shrimp roll. Didn't get that one off.
Now get really hot.
Hot mustard?
Yeah, like is it hot?
Hot to
two
me.
different kinds, right?
I like spicy. There was only one hot mustard. The wasabi is the other one you're thinking about.
Oh, okay.
Shrimp, well, you might not be able to do the shrimp, but it's in there. And that's wasabi you talking about.
Okay.
It's hot mustard. They're both spicy.
No, that's too hot. I'm making those one.
What, wasabi?
Yeah.
Comment down below if you like wasabi. I love it. It'll rush to your head. I love it. Yeah. It's like, you know what a brain freeze is? The wasabi rushes up there like that. I love it.
Very sinuses, say that.
Yeah. For your sinuses. Yo, let me know too, man. I'm thinking, let me know. I think I asked this in one of my previous videos, man. Talk more, eat more. What do y'all prefer?
Eat more, talk less.
That's not for you. That's for the fam.
Whatever.
That's Honey back there giving her opinion. Let me know.
Be manager.
Who am I? Technical support.
But I want to be a manager now.
Or not even about. I want to be everything. A doctor, your lawyer, your manager. Every damn thing.
Therapist.
Your therapist.
Pretty much that. You want to be everything.
Everything.
Alright, that's funny. It's the truth though.
Try one of these crab and cheese one time.
Can you tell me where you got that from?
Oh, you're right. I didn't even tell you where I got this food from. This food came from a spot called, excuse me, excuse me, a spot called Chopsticks. Chopsticks. That's all I gotta tell, right? This food is so good. Chopsticks, that's the only place I go to. Right. I'm gonna dead up. I'm gonna go no anywhere else. Just one place. Get my Asian cuisine. Bust down this other half of this burrito. Other half of this sushi burrito. Y'all some of this. All right, that's all you get. I'm so hungry. So hungry. I eat all that. I had a bag of apples. I drink plenty of water. Oh, I had some nuts too. I'll be so hungry. The food just feels so good going down.
Make me sleep better, right? Or maybe that's just me.
Make you sleep better. Yeah.
That does look good.
Y'all, gotta get these likes up, get these shares up, tell your folk, my MBG fan, let them know Don't be scared of that like button. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to reach my first 100 subscribers. My goal right now for the fans, 100. That's my goal right now for the channel, y'all. 100. So we can get some, start having nice conversations, get that knowledge out there, continue to lift one another up. I was having a conversation earlier with somebody that's like, and I was telling them, what's the sense of having knowledge and you don't want to share it? Make sure you ain't holding on to the knowledge you have. I mean, use it to help somebody else out. Use it to lift somebody else up. Give somebody else knowledge. Help a person that maybe, who, like, you may be doing something that they want to do. You got the knowledge about it. Help them out. Help them out. Don't be afraid if they advance in whatever it is, like, before you or whatever. Nah, help them out. Lift them up. Each one teach one. Pass the knowledge on. A lot of people got so much knowledge, man, but don't want to share it. No sense in having knowledge. You don't want to share it. Knowledge is meant to be shared. I want to shout out Big Belly Bob in this video, man. Like, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. You got knowledge, and you shared it. You're not keeping it to yourself. Like, I really appreciate you for that. For real. I want to shout you out. You're an awesome dude. I respect what Joe Machine got going on, and just being so open. Oh, you know your big guy getting full, right?
Won't eat any more of them raccoons.
Raccoons?
No. Raccoons.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You want one, huh?
Yeah.
You always want my food.
You don't look like you eating it. Hey, what you should have?
Try to eat some more for y'all. Keep your heads up. Make sure you attain the knowledge. And if you're the only one in your group that's giving and people just taking from you, change your circle. Change your circle. Change your circle. Always go by something, y'all. Be surrounded by people that know more than you, that are doing better than you, that have more than you, and guess what? You're gonna be the next person. Like, if you hang around, 3 people that's doing the wrong thing, you're gonna be the 4th person doing the wrong thing. So apply that. You hanging around 5 people that's doing the right thing, you're gonna be the 6th person that's doing the right thing. That's elevating. Continue to increase. I appreciate y'all. I'm about to get up out of here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and make sure you share the video. Share. Increase. This is your motivation big guy. Remember, you can do anything you put your mind to. Don't let anyone ever tell you you can't do it. You stay persistent, consistent, and stay motivated. It's Motivation Big Guy, bringing you love, peace, and positivity. Peace, y'all.